This is a 2008 Lexus ES350, a great fit and finish. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a moonroof, a low tire pressure indicator, alloy wheels, and satellite radio. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, interior wood trim accents, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, fog lamps, rear impact crumple zones, a stability control system, a home link feature, and this vehicle has fewer than 29,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 27 miles per gallon on the highway, this vehicle does not compromise its fuel efficiency for size, comfort, or fun. This Lexus has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.